Hello guys, welcome back to task 7 for presentation for paper 2019 of summer of May and June, paper 2-2. We have been carrying on the previous tasks. Right now let's carry on the presentation. So for the presentation you are going to create a short presentation. All slides have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides should be formatted to display a title and a bulleted lists. 35 question number 35, create a presentation of 5 slides using this file, RDF file. So we need first to open PowerPoint, and we need to go to open, browse, and we need to go to our working area and browse this file. So let me copy the path, enter it over here, and make sure that all the files are visible in here. And I need to locate the file, this one, SWOT, and make sure that it is open in 5 slides, each with its own title. I'm done with the first one. And on slide number 1, enter your name after the text presented by. Okay, and then I'm done with here. Use a master slide to display only the following features on all slides. Okay, so we have to start to use this master slide, and all the slides, it will be changed depending on the master slide. To do this, go to view, click on slide master. Always, not to forget, go and choose the first main slide, as everything will be applied on the first instead of those sub one applied to all of your slides. Make sure you're selecting the first one after choosing slide master. So add these following features: your name, center number and candidate number, not mention any specific alignment right or left, and automatic slide number. So we need to add 2 criteria. Go to insert, select header and footer, take over the slide number, and take over the footer, and here we have to add the information like center number, name, and candidate number. Apply to all. It's added over here and here. Let's go to slide master and close it, and they're added over here, and you will notice on all the pages it's added. So done with these 2 points. Format the first slide so that a title slide layout is applied. So let's go to the very first one, right click, layout, and make it a title slide. And the title slide subtitle text are centered in the middle of the slide. Both are centered. In case they're not centered, make sure the alignment from here is centered. So question number 38, add the following text as a presenter speaker notes for the slides with the title threads. So I need to look for this threads title, and I need to add this in the notes section. So okay, this is the one with the title of threads, and I need to add this in the notes section. From down you can grab it and write down these notes over here. Okay, so print only this slide as a presenter speaker notes, including these notes, and make sure your name, center number, title, and everything is visible. So go to print, and actually I was already selecting, make sure you're selecting this slide, and then go to print and make sure your print current slide that you're selecting. And okay, from here you have to go and choose that notes pages. So the note that you put it supposed to be also printed. Here the name, slide number, page number, everything is showing, and then print your page. That's going to be your printout number 8. 39, which is the last question. Save the presentation. Print the presentation as a handout using layout of 6 slides per page, and that's going to be print out number 9. Make sure all the informations are visible. So again, I just can go simply here, print all slides, and I can choose here to be 6 slides per page, either horizontally or vertically. And because I have 5 slides, so one was going to be empty, it's going to be different a little bit in the arrangement of the page number. So you can choose any of them as long as it is not mentioned in the question any specific detail how to arrange it. So just name, page numbers will be visible over here, and that's the last printout. I hope you got all the questions and answers, and see you in the next paper 3.